Hi everybody, this is Trey Zosky here, and today we're going to do a review of the Honeywell 3951 SD smoke detector. So you may know, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking this is an i3. Well, let me put the phone down for a second to show you. Number one, it has two terminals. Number two, it's 5139, 5193, But it has two parts. It is positive and negative terminal. And it has the head. Let's give it down again. There you go. Main thing about this smoke detectors in the i3 series is it has this little magnet feature right here where you can insert a screwdriver or other metal object and it will automatically trigger the smoke detector for testing in case you do not have test smoke or anything like that to test your system. Alright everybody, this has been a review of the SD of the system sensor 53, not system sensor, Honeywell 5139 smoke detector, conventional smoke detector. Please rate, comment, and of course subscribe, and have a nice day.